Bonjour, bienvenue. In this video, we learn possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Normally, we express possession, the sense of possession in four patterns, four types or four styles. Number one, we use apostrophe to indicate possession, to express possession. For example, Raju's house. This is Raju's house. This is the girl's pen. Apostrophe, yes. This is what we use normally to convey, to express a sense of possession in English. But this use of apostrophe and yes, we don't use in French. It's wrong to say Raju's maison. It's wrong. Or la fille stylo. It's wrong to say. Raju's house cannot be told Raju's maison in French. The girl's pen cannot be translated as la fille stylo. This is wrong in French. This use of apostrophe and yes to indicate possession is not allowed in French. It's a wrong construction. So how do you translate Raju's house in French? We say only la maison de Raju. The house of Raju. We make use of the preposition the. Look, Raju's house will be translated as the house of Raju, la maison de Raju. This is the correct way of translating. The girl's pen, the pen of the girl. This is what we do in French. Please understand. So we do not use apostrophe s to indicate possession in French. We make it into Raju's house is made into the house of Raju, la maison de Raju. The girl's pen, the pen of the girl, le stylo de la fille. This is one way of expressing possession. Next style, the house belongs to Raju. The house belongs to Raju. This is also a sentence which expresses a sense of possession. Belongs to, that is atre plus a. Atre a conveys belongs to. The house belongs to Raju will be translated as la maison est à Raju. The house is to Raju. The house belongs to Raju. The books belong to me. The books belong to me. Les livres sont à moi. Belong to être and à. So I have conjugated être for les livres sont. Les livres sont à moi. The books belong to me. So the construction goes like this. The noun we write first. Noun belongs, which belongs, which belonged. Right, is written first, the house or the books, and atre is conjugated to the noun which is belonged. Then a is written, the preposition a is written, and the noun, that is the owner of the noun, owner of this noun which is belonged is written. Here it is Raju, so I write Raju here. Here it is me, and I write disjunctive pronoun. Remember, you must write disjunctive pronoun. Moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, elle. This is what you should write. So this is the second way of expressing a sense of possession. Noun plus être plus a plus the owner noun. Noun, owner. Here Raju is the owner. Here I am the owner. And you write the disjunctive pronoun. This is the second way of conveying possession. Third way, you use possessive adjectives. This is what we are going to learn in this video. Possessive adjective. For example, his house, her bag. This his or her, my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. This is what we are going to learn today in this video. Sa maison, son sac. We will learn this. And third way of expressing a sense of possession is possessive pronouns. This is possessive adjective his, her, possessive adjective. Now we are going to use possessive pronouns also. My bag will become mine in English. Her bag will become hers in English. What is mine and hers? Possessive pronouns. What is his and her? Possessive adjectives. These two. This is quite a big topic we will learn today. His house, her bag, or possessive pronouns mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs. This is what we are going to learn today. Okay. What are possessive adjectives? First we will see possessive adjectives. What are possessive adjectives? In English, possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. This your can be singular or your can be plural also. We will learn separately. So my, your singular, your plural, his, her, its, our, their. These words we will learn in this video. Okay. Now look at this one. First we will learn this my, your, his and her, its. My, your singular, his, her, its. All singular owners. My, I am singular, you singular, his, her, its singular. So singular owners we will learn now. Let's see. My, your, his, her, its. This is what we learn. This is I, singular. Brother. Whose brother? This is brother. Whose brother? My brother. My brother. This is sister. Whose sister? My sister. This is brothers. Masculine plural. This is masculine singular. This is feminine singular sister. This is brothers. Masculine plural. My brothers. And this one sisters. Whose sisters? My sisters. My sisters. See, brother is masculine singular, sister is feminine singular. Brothers, masculine plural, sisters, feminine plural. For irrespective of masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine plural, in English we use only my. That's very simple. My brother, my sister, my brothers, my sisters. We don't change this my in its spelling. We write my everywhere. But in French it is not the case. The word my is going to undergo small changes when this my refers to masculine singular, and when the word my refers to feminine singular, it changes, it agrees. My, plurals, the spelling changes. So you must understand, possessive adjectives agree with the noun it refers to. Understand me clearly, possessive adjectives agree with the nouns they refer to. When my comes for brother, it is mon. When the same my comes for sister, it is ma. My becomes may when it refers to plural, irrespective of gender. Whether it is masculine plural or feminine plural, this mo and ma becomes, they both become may. So I must only say mon frère, my brother, ma sœur, my sister, mes frères, my brothers or sisters. Same, mes frères, mes sœurs. Please understand this. So my has three equivalents in French. What are they? Mon when it refers to masculine singular. Ma when it refers to feminine singular. Mais when it refers to plural nouns. So my, mo, ma, me. Fine. Now let's come to your. This noun need not always be a noun of a person. See, look at this one. My brother or my bench. Bench is masculine singular. So you must write mon banc. Mon banc. Bench is masculine singular. Mon frère, my brother or my bench. Mon banc. Bench. Sister is feminine singular. House is also feminine singular. So I can write ma maison, my house, my house. Benches, plural. So what will I write? Mes bancs, plural, B-A-N-C-S. Maison, plural. So what will I write? Mes maison, M-A-I-N-S-O-N-S. Understand? This is what is my is about. My, mo, ma, me. Now let's come to the next one. Your here is singular. This is I. Understand please. This is I and this is you. I am talking to you. I am talking to you. I am talking about your brother. I am talking to you. I am talking about your brother. You, singular. You are alone. Brother. Your sister. Your brothers. Your sisters. So this is masculine singular, brother. This is sister, feminine singular. This is brothers, masculine plural. Sisters, feminine plural. Your brother, your sister, your brothers, your sisters. Your brother, your sister, your brothers, your sisters. Same concept. Mon becomes ton for your, singular. Your singular. Mon becomes ton, that's all. So brother is masculine singular, so you write ton frère. Ton frère. Sister is feminine singular, ta sœur. Your sister. Tes frères, when brothers, plural. Tes sœurs, same. Te, when brothers or sisters, plural. See, I am not worried about whether this my is masculine or feminine. I may be masculine or feminine, I am not worried. You may be masculine or feminine, I am not worried. I must concentrate only on whether brother is masculine or feminine, or the bench is masculine or feminine, sister, house, whether these things are masculine or feminine. Accordingly, I must change. I may be masculine or feminine, don't worry. You must see only the belonged noun which is masculine or feminine. Accordingly, you must change. In the same way, ton, ta, te. Ton for your brother, ta, your sister, te, your brothers or your sisters. Exactly like my brother, mon frère, my sister, ma sœur, my brothers or sisters, mes frères, mes sœurs. Same thing. Next one is also easy. Now look at this one. This is I. Okay. This is you. And this is he. Now I am going to talk to you about his brother. Understand? I am going to talk to you about his brother or his bench. Okay, we'll see how it comes. Exactly same, like my and your. His in French, son, sa, se. His brother, I must write son frère, because brother is masculine. I am not worried about this his or her. His may be masculine or feminine, I am not bothered. I must see only brother is masculine or feminine. If brother is masculine, I must write son frère. If sister is feminine, I must write sa sœur. His sister, remember? His sister, what do I write? Sa sœur. His brother, son frère. His brothers or his sisters, what do I write? Ses frères, ses sœurs. This is plural. Okay, sœur is plural. Okay. Now, his brother, son frère, his sister, sa sœur, his brothers, ses frères, his sisters, ses frères. Fine. Her also same. Her may be masculine or feminine, I am not bothered. I am concentrating only brother is masculine or feminine. Brother is masculine or feminine? It's masculine. So I must write son frère for her brother. Her sister, sa sœur. Her brothers or her sisters, what do I write? Ses frères, ses sœurs. Understand? Here, don't get confused. His, her and its, three words are same in French. They are not different in meaning. His, son, sa, se. Her, son, sa, se. Its, son, sa, se. Its, the dog's, for example. The dog's tail. The dog's mouth. The dog's ears. The dog's legs. Something. Okay. So you must see whether tail is masculine or feminine. Ear is masculine or feminine. I is masculine or feminine. Don't see whether the dog is masculine or feminine. Like this one. His. So what are the equivalents of his in French? Son, ça, c'est. 3 words of her in French. Son, ça, c'est. It's in French. Son, ça, c'est. Understand? Right. Now come to one more important point you must note. See, what is table? Table. What is table? Table. It's masculine or feminine? Feminine. So what do you write for my table? My table. Can I write mon table? Can I write mon table for table? No, I am wrong. Why? Because table is feminine. So I must write only ma table. You remember? Yeah. Ma table. What is your table? Singular, your singular. Your. Can I write tas, ta? Yes, ta is the correct answer. Because table is feminine, singular. So ta. Ta table. Ta table. This is correct. Ma table is correct. Ta table is correct. What is his or her table I will write? Sa. Table is singular like sister. Okay. So I write sa table. His table or her table. Fine. Now look at this example. Horloge. Horloge means wall clock. It is feminine. Like table, horloge is also feminine. So what will you write for my? Ma. Your feminine singular. Remember? Feminine singular. Ma sœur, sister. Here horloge, that's all. So ma, your wall clock. Ta. His or her wall clock, sa. This is what I have written, ma, ta, sa. But this feminine singular noun is starting with a H silent, H mute, ash muet. So, writing ma, ta, sa is not allowed. Ma, ta, sa becomes mon, ton, son, even though this noun is feminine singular. Understand? Why do you write mon, ton, son here? If I write ma, ta, sa, A and H, they meet. For pronunciation's sake, we change into mon, ton, son. So remember, when a feminine singular noun is starting with a vowel or H mute, ma, ta, sa becomes mon, ton, son. This is a very important point you should remember always. Okay? Should I explain it once again? Ma, ta, sa, because horloge is feminine singular, my, your, his or her, but this is starting with H mute, H silent. So ma, ta, sa becomes, ma, ta, sa is changed into mon, ton, son. Understand? Okay, this grammar you must remember. Now we have learnt. What have you learnt now? These three you have learnt. My, your, his, her. This is my. This is your. This is his, her. Understand? Clear? What are the 3 words for my? This my, what are the 3 words? Mo, ma, me. What are the 3 words for your? This your, not this your. Singular your. You have dealt with singular your. We haven't seen this plural. Only this your. What are the 3 words? Ton, ta, te. What are the 3 words for his or her or its? So, sa, se. My, mo, ma, me. Your, ton, ta, te. His, son, sa, se. Or her or its. Now we will learn our, your plural and their. 3 again we will learn. What is our? What is your plural and what is the words for their in French? See, here you must note down one thing. So far you have learnt my, your, his or her. The owner remains singular. My, I am alone, I. Your, I am talking to only you. Okay, only your, singular. Only his, only her, only its we have learnt. Only the owner remains singular. Now, look at this one. Here the owner is going to become plural. Our, not my. It is our house. Plural of my. Your, not this your you are going to learn now. We learn this your, plural. Now, your now. Not his. It's their we are going to learn. Plural of his, her or its, their. We will learn. That's also easy. Now look at this one. Our. Okay, these three. Our, your plural. See, this is I and you. This is I and this is you. This is we. I and you together it is we. So our brother. That's what we are going to learn. And your, plural. See, this is I, this is I, this is you, not one. This is one, you. This is more than one. You, plural. This we learn. This is I, this is you, and this is they. They. Not he and she. He and she together, not alone. Understand? This is he and this is she together. They become they, not alone, not his. It is their brother. The word their we are going to learn. Right. Now we will learn our. What is our? I and you together. We. So we say our brother, our sister, our brothers, masculine plural, or our benches. Our benches, our sisters, our houses. Our brother is masculine singular. Our sister is feminine singular. Our brothers, masculine plural. Sisters, feminine plural. Our brother, our sister, our brothers, our sisters. Our in French is notre, our brother. In French is notre frère, our brother. Notre frère. Our sister is also notre only. When the owner becomes plural, here owner is plural, not I. This is we, plural owner. This is not singular you. This is plural you, plural owner. This is not he or she. This is he and she. Together. He and she, plural owner. They. When owner becomes plural, we write notre frère or notre sœur. Understand? Both for masculine singular and feminine, we use notre only. Notre frère, notre sœur. Masculine plural, singular, feminine singular. Both we write notre only. When the noun becomes plural, frères, brothers. See, brothers. Or benches. No. N-O-T-R-E becomes N-O-S. Both for masculine plural and feminine plural. So, nos frères, nos sœurs. Plural. So, what are the equivalent words for are in French? Notre and no. Notre can be used for masculine singular and feminine singular. No will be used for masculine plural and feminine plural. See, do you remember this one? Here we use ma, mo, ma. Masculine singular, feminine singular we used my for my, mo, ma. Here same, notre only. Understand? When the owner is singular, mon, ma, but owner becomes plural, notre only. For both brother and sister, sister. This is ma, ma. This is notre only. Okay. Now, your brother. See, now understand this concept. I am talking to you about you, plural. Okay, not one. You are a group of people, more than one. I am talking to you about your brother, about your sister, your brothers, your sisters. You plural, your plural, brother singular, your brother. Autre frère. Here it is notre, here it is votre. Your sister, your plural, sister singular, your sister, votre sœur, votre sœur. Votre sœur, votre frère, votre sœur. Here what did you write? Notre frère, notre sœur. Same. This is our, this is your. Autre. When this also becomes plural. This is plural. Now, brother is going to become plural. Sister is going to become plural. In that case, your brothers, your sisters. Autre becomes wo. That's all. Here notre becomes no, our brothers, our sisters, your brothers, your sisters. That's all. So what are the equivalent of are in French? Notre and no. Your, votre and wo. Only two words. Your brother, your sister, your brothers, your sisters. Finally, the last part of this possessive adjective, they are. They are. See, look at this picture. I am talking to you. Understand me carefully. I am talking to you about their brother, about their sister, about their brothers and their sisters. Understand? Their brother is masculine singular. So leur frère. Their sister, feminine singular. Brother masculine singular. Sister feminine singular. Their sister, leur sœur. Same. Here notre, votre. Here leur. Their brother or their sister, you write leur only. Okay. Now, look at this one. Their brothers. Their brothers. Leur with yes. Leur with yes. L-E-U-R. Here L-E-U-R-S. Brothers. Leur frère. And leur sœur only. Like wo, no, no. Here leur. That's all. Understand? Yeah. So, this is we, our. This is you, plural. So, your. This is they, plural. So, they are. So, what are the two words equivalent of they are in French? Leur. L-E-U-R, L-E-U-R-S. That's all. Your equivalents, votre, vos. Our, notre, no. This is the end of possessive adjectives. This is the end of possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Fine. Now, we will move on to possessive. Now, we have seen all these words. My, tell me, what are the equivalents? Mon mame. My, mon mame. This is my. Mon mame. Your singular. Ton tate. His. So sa se. Or her. So sa se, or its, so sa se. Okay, my, moma me, your singular, ton tate, his, her, or its, so sa se. And our, look at this one, our. Notre nom. Your plural. Look at this picture. Your plural. Votre vos. Notre nom. Votre vos. They are plural. They. Plural. Leur. This is what we learned so far. Now we will move on to possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? This is possessive adjective. Mon, ma, me, ton, ta, te, son, sa, se. Notre nom, votre, vos, leur. These many are possessive adjectives. Mon frère. This is a possessive adjective and the noun. Now, pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns, what is the important function of a pronoun? It replaces the noun. Brother must be replaced. At the same time, pronoun must convey the sense of possession also. Because this possessive pronoun is not going to replace the noun alone. Possessive pronoun replaces the possessive adjective and the noun. Listen to me carefully. Possessive pronoun replaces possessive adjective and the noun. Two words possessive pronoun is going to replace. That's why this is called a pronoun. When a word replaces a noun, it is a pronoun. And it's going to indicate the possessive sense also. So this is called possessive pronoun. That's all. Now, mon frère. Frère is masculine or feminine? Masculine. Singular or plural? Singular. So what's the definite article you write? Le. Write le first. So this is replaced. Frère is replaced by le. Mon in French is mien. M-I-E-N. Le mien. Oh, that's all. Le mien. Now where is the noun here? In le mien, what's the meaning? Mine. Here are some boys. This is my brother. Okay, my brother. This is mine. Here are some books. Here is a book. This is mine. Mine. Mon frère, mine. How do we replace? Frère is masculine or feminine, you must see. If it is masculine singular, write le. Sister is feminine singular, write la. This is plural. Brothers or sisters, write le. Then for my, write mien. If it is feminine singular, add the agreement. M-I-E, N-N-E. Feminine singular. Masculine plural, add yes with the masculine singular form. Sisters, feminine plural, add yes with the feminine singular form. It's simple. Le mien, la mienne, les miens, les miennes. All the four take the meaning of mine. Le mien, my brother. La mienne, my sister. Les miens, my brothers. Les miennes, my sisters. So these are all four words equivalent to mine in French. When will I write le mien? When mon frère is replaced. That is a masculine singular noun with a possessive adjective is replaced, you write le mien. We will see some examples, some exercises later. When will you write la mienne? When I replace a possessive adjective and a feminine singular noun like ma soeur. Les miens is written when I replace masculine plural noun preceded by possessive adjective may. Masculine plural. This is feminine plural. I write les miennes. All the four take the meaning of mine. So this is possessive pronoun for mine. Fine. Now yours. Singular. Remember singular. Singular. Your. So yours I am going to write. This is my brother and this is yours. Or this is your brother and this is mine. This is your sister and this is mine. These are your books and these are mine. Your sisters and mine. Le tien. Okay, now let's continue with the le tien. Ton frère. Your brother. Yours. Brother is masculine singular, so write le. Ton, write tien. Sister. Feminine singular, so write la. Ta, tienne. T-A-E-N-N-E. Make the agreement properly. Brothers. What's the definite article you write? Les. Te, tien. Masculine plural. So just add yes with the masculine singular form. Sisters. What's the definite article? Alias. Again. Tienne. Feminine singular. Add yes, you get feminine plural. Tienne. Tien, tienne. Okay. Now his or hers. What is her brother? Son frère. Frère is masculine or feminine? Masculine, write le. Son, sien. Son, it becomes sien. Ton becomes tien. Mon becomes mien. Son becomes sien. Masculine singular, so no agreement, nothing is added. Le sien. His or hers or its. Sister, feminine singular, so la is written. and made the agreement. Sien, N and E is added. Sien. Faire, masculine plural. Les is written. Sien, S-I-E-N-S. Add S with the masculine singular form. Sœur, sisters, feminine plural. So LES is written first. Agreement. S-I-E-N-N-E-S. With the feminine singular form, add S. Understand? This is mine. This is yours. This is his or hers or its. All the four. His. Le sien, la sienne, la sienne, les siens, les siennes. Hers. Le sien, la sienne, les siens, les siennes. Its. Le sien, la sienne, les siens, les siennes. They are not separate words in French. His, hers, its. Not separate words in French. Like his, her, its. This is possessive adjective. This is possessive pronoun. Please don't get confused. This is possessive adjective. This is possessive pronoun. My is possessive adjective. Mine is possessive pronoun. Your is possessive adjective. Yours is possessive pronoun. Now look at the plural owners. Now owner becomes plural. Let's see what happens. Our brother. Our brother. Notre frère. Brother is masculine or feminine? Masculine. So write le. Notre becomes notre with circumflex accent. No circumflex TRE. Here there is no circumflex, but in the pronoun we add one circumflex. Understand? Frère is masculine, so write le. Notre, notre. Ours. This is your brother. This is your brother. And this is ours. Ours. Instead of our brother, I write ours. Pronoun. Notre sœur. Our sister. Sister is masculine or feminine? Feminine, write la. Notre with circumflex accent. Ours. Our brothers. Brothers masculine or feminine? Masculine. Singular or plural? Plural. So write les. Notre with yes. Notre with yes. N-O-T-R-E, N-O circumflex T-R-E, N-O circumflex T-R-E, N-O circumflex T-R-E-S. And okay. Sir, no sir, our sisters. Sisters masculine or feminine? Feminine. Singular or plural? Plural. So write les. No, notre. Les nôtres. So le nôtre, la nôtre, les nôtres. These two are same. Les nôtres and les nôtres. Same. So, three words for ours in French. Le nôtre, la nôtre, les nôtres. In the same way, your plural. See, look at this one. Your plural. This is our. This is also plural. That's why we write notre. This is your is plural. Your, more than one. So we write votre frère. Your brother. Brother is masculine. Le. Votre. B-O circumflex T-R-E. Yours. This is my brother. And this is yours. Yours. Your brother becomes yours. Your sister becomes la votre. Sister is feminine, so la votre, yours. Your brothers, les vôtres. Brothers plural, so les. Sisters plural, les. O votre. B-O circumflex T-R-E-S. Notre, notre, notre. Notre, notre, notre. Le, la, le. Same for masculine plural and feminine plural. In the same way, they are also. Look at this one. I am talking to you about them. They are brother. They are brother. Leur frère. They are brother. Now I am going to say theirs. They are brother. Theirs. Brother is masculine. Eli. Leur. Theirs. Their sister. Sister is feminine. La. Leur. Theirs. They are brothers. Plural. Brothers plural. Les. Sisters plural. Les. Theirs. Theirs. Same words. So what are the equivalents of yours plural in French? Le vôtre, la vôtre, les vôtres. Theirs, what are the equivalents? Le leur, la leur, les leur. Okay. Now we do some exercises. This is all about possessive pronouns. So this is possessive adjective. What are possessive adjectives? What are possessive adjectives? My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their in English. And what are the equivalents? Mo, ma, me, my. What are the equivalents? Mo, ma, me. Mo, sak. Sak is masculine, mo. Clay is feminine, ma. Sak plural, me. Clay plural, me. Mo, ma, me. Your singular. Your singular. What are the equivalents in French? Ton, ta, te. His. What are the equivalents? Son, sa, se. Her. What are the equivalents? Son, sa, se. Its. Son, sa, se. When do you write son? When the noun is masculine, singular. Sa, when do you write? When noun is feminine, singular. Se, when you will write? Masculine or feminine, plural. Okay. Our. What are the equivalents? Notre and no. When will you write notre? When the noun is masculine or feminine, singular. When will you write no? When the noun is masculine or feminine, plural. Your, plural. This is your singular and this is your plural. What are the equivalents of your? Votre, vo. When will you write votre? When noun is masculine or feminine, singular. Bag or key. When will you write vo? When the noun becomes plural. Bags or keys. You write vo. What are the equivalents of their in French? Leur, leur, leur. When will you write leur? When the masculine, when the noun is masculine or feminine, singular. When will you write leurs? Leur. When the noun becomes plural. Okay. Now what are the equivalents of these adjectives and nouns as pronouns? Mon sac, my bag, mine, le mien. Sac, masculine singular, mien. Clay, feminine singular, la mienne. Plural, les miens, masculine plural, les miens. Clay, masculine singular, les miennes. Okay. Right. Next one. Ton sac. Ton sac. Your bag. Yours. Ta clé. Your key. La tienne. Then tes sacs. Les tiennes, tiens. Les tiens. Tes clés. Feminine plural. Son sac. Masculine singular. Le sien. Sa clé, la sienne. C'est sac, les siens. C'est sac, les siennes. Notre sac, le nôtre. Notre clé, la nôtre. Nos sacs, les nôtres and les nôtres. Votre sac, le vôtre. La vôtre, féminin, plural. And leur sac, their bags, theirs. Their key, theirs. Their bags, theirs. Clé, same. So, what is the meaning of le mien, la mien, les miens, les miennes? It's only mine. Le tien, la tienne, les tiens, les tiennes. Yours. Very simple in English. Le sien, la sienne, les siens, les siennes. His. Or hers also. Or its also. Le nôtre, la nôtre, les nôtres. Ours. Le vôtre, la vôtre, les vôtres. Yours. Le leur, la leur, les leurs. What's the meaning? Theirs. Okay, this is the summary of what you have learnt in this video. This is possessive adjectives. Mon, ma, me, ton, ta, te, son, sa, se, notre, no, votre, vo, leur, leur. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives will always precede a noun. These two words replaced and you have written these pronouns. Possessive pronouns. You know why they are called possessive pronouns? Main function of the pronoun is replacing the noun. Yes, it is replaced. At the same time, it tells you something about the possession also. It's mine. Okay, my pen. Instead of my pen, I am telling mine. It tells you something about the possession. That's why this is called possessive pronouns. So, possessive pronouns replace possessive adjective and the noun. Two words it replaces. Fine. Now, let's see some common questions they ask in the examinations or some tests. French tests. We'll see. I like my father. You like yours. I like my father. Father is masculine or feminine? Father is masculine. So what will you write? My father. Can I write mesak, mes? Can I write this mes? No, I cannot write. Why? Because father is masculine singular. So, mo only I must write. M-O-N. I like my father. You like yours. What will you write for yours? Yours. This is yours. What will you choose among these four? Le tien, la tienne, les tiens, les tiennes. What will you choose? Father is masculine singular. So, le tien. Le tien. So the meaning is I like my father, you like yours. This is possessive adjective and this is possessive pronoun. Number 2. He sees dash house. We see dash. He sees his house. We see ours. What is his house in French? House, you must see whether it is masculine or feminine. House is feminine. What is his? His is here. Son, sa, se. What will you choose among these three? Son is used for masculine singular. Sa is used for feminine singular. This is feminine singular. So you must write sa. He sees his house. We see ours. What is ours in French? Le nôtre, la nôtre, les nôtres. What will you write? Shall I write le nôtre? No. Why? Because house is feminine. So I must write la notre. So I must write only la notre. This is the correct answer. La notre. Fine. Here are some pencils. Here are some pencils. I take mine. Take yours. Both pronouns, remember. No noun. So it must be a pronoun. Here are some pencils. I take mine. Take yours. So mine. What is mine in French? Le mien, la mienne, les miens, les miennes. What will you write among these four? Here are some pencils. I take mine. If it is singular, I take a pencil, my pencil. In that case, it is le mien. Le M-I-E-N. Le mien. Pencil is masculine singular. Mien, mine. Take yours. What is yours in French? This yours or this yours? This is formal. Respect sake. So this yours. Yours in French is le vôtre, la vôtre, les vôtres. What will you write? Pencil is masculine singular. Vôtre. So le vôtre. If you mean it to be take your pencils, in that case les miens also you can write. If you mean it to be I take my pencils, you take yours, in that case here LES VOTRES, that is also possible. Okay, that is also possible. Now look at the next one. This is my house. Where is yours? This is my house. What will you write for my house? Ma. Because house is masculine, feminine, singular. So ma. Where is yours? La tienne. La Tienne. Why la tienne? House is feminine. Yours. Yours in French is this one. Feminine singular, la tienne. Here lot of answers possible. La vôtre is also possible. Formal sake. Okay. Even more answers are possible, right? I have my books. Where are yours? I have my books. My, what are my in French? My, mo, ma, me. What will you write? Books, plural. So I have my books. M-E-S. Here are, I have my books. Where are yours? Yours. Books, plural. Les tiens. Lestines. Or les vôtres also you can write. Where are yours? This is also correct only. Or where are his? If you want to write, here are my books, where are his? If you want to write, what will you write? Les his. Siens. S-I-E-N-S. Livre, masculine plural. Okay. Then theirs. Here are my books. Where are theirs? If you want to write, les, L-E-U-R-S. Les leurs. Like this, you have so many answers probable. This is the end of this class. And this is the gist of what you have learnt today. These words are possessive adjectives. Only these words, moma, me, ton, tate. And these two, le mien, la mienne, les miens, these two words are possessive pronouns. Okay, possessive adjectives, this one is possessive adjective. These words are possessive pronouns. And friends, if you like this video and if these classes are informative, please do not hesitate to subscribe. Happy learning. Merci. Au revoir.